The West Coast Black Theater Troupe is launching a new program to help young artists gain exposure as writers and producers of their own original works. It's called the New Playwright Series, and the first performance is a stage workshop of the musical Real Life. It was written and directed by a familiar face, West Coast Black Theater artist Joel Patrick King. Here with a song from the show, Take It Away!
When he was a child, he didn't act that way. The times had surely changed him. You hear the people say his life had surely changed when his dad walked out that door. I tried and I tried to raise him right. You've heard this all before. But the streets are a-changing. Nothing seems the same. When the soul of a man can drift away and the killer feels no. The killer, he feels no. The killer feels no shame. Though the children are playing and the mothers are praying, I see the death that's roaming throughout these streets. I see the dark clouds rising throughout these streets.
Welcome to the show, Joel Patrick King, the author, and of course Nate Jacobs, the artistic director of West Coast Black Theater. What is that young lady's name?
Yeah, she's great.
Syreeta Banks.
Oh, she is awesome.
Syreeta. Wow.
Nate, why did you decide to have this series?
For this wonderful new theater, this wonderful new art to have a platform. Joel and I met actually on a movie set.
Yep.
And he's an incredible actor, and as you see, playwright, composer, and all of the above. And he and I have been having talks about his work as a playwright and producer. So I've always wanted to give platform to new playwrights. As you know, West Coast is known for developing professional artists. And so the playwrights needs a platform too to introduce their new works. And so it made sense to me to start a program. I'm just so very grateful that Julie Leach, the executive director, and our wonderful board supported this, and they're very much in support of Joel, who has come here and lit up the WBTT stage in many of our productions. So now we see another side of this artist as playwright and producer.
Well, I'm originally from East St. Louis, area.
So set up the second song. Tell us a little about your play and set up the second song.
The second song, okay, the play is, the shortest way to sum it all up is street versus society, street versus self, and about self-realization, faith, hope, and knowing that in order for us to build and get to that what we call our promised land, it really is a thing that takes a sense of togetherness. And so this is the community piece. This guy who has strayed away is now finding his redemption.
Okay, so you're going to sing in this next song.
I'm doing a little hip-hop number with it, just a little bit, a little taste.
It's called The Real Life Musical. It is Saturday at 2 p.m. It's Saturday, June 4th at 2 p.m. westcoastblacktheater.org, westcoasttheater.org for tickets. Okay, guys, take it away.
Like a flash of light, it all came real to me. I'm doing to my son what my dad had done to me. Sadness, tragedies, lots of can be playing around and be hit the same history. I gotta get it right, get it in, get it right. I gotta get it right, get it in, get it right.
God knows how long I prayed for this.
a time I won't give up. Oh, the strength to fight for life again, to change what I messed up. God knows it's time to stand again. All the wrong I've done enough, all the pain I give. No more shame. Oh, the streets are changing. Nothing seems the same. But in this night, I've gotta win. I'm gonna win. Hear me when I say I'm gonna chase these clouds away. Hear me when I say I'm gonna make it right today. So wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. I'm moving. Yes.
Beautiful. The original musical Real Life, Saturday, June 4th at 2. For ticket information, go to westcoasttheater.org.